Hey, how you doing? Today I've been working on the yard. I've been putting a fence up. So today we're gonna make something real quick and easy. It's a jerk chicken sub. Some Duke's mayonnaise with a hint of lime. Put it on the roll instead of butter. And kind of spread that. And so on this jerk chicken sub, we're going to do get this on there in the back just to kind of start. So we're doing a sweet slaw. So I got about 2 cups of slaw mix. What we do is we're going to add a 1/4 cup of the Duke's mayonnaise with a hint of lime in there, and then I got about a 1/4 cup of pineapple that we're going to slide in there. You can cut them into the size chunks that you want. And then I got 2 tablespoons of lime juice. And then we're going to go ahead and mix the slaw mixture up. That way it can start soaking up and rendering down inside. You put as much red cabbage, you can do it separate if you want. So we're going to let that sit. Like I said, this whole thing is really quick, so we're going to let that sit. It's pretty good. We got some shredded chicken. And I'm going to put me some oil down to start with. Put my shredded chicken down. Let this start getting heat up and get a nice little sear on it. Okay, so chicken's heated now. Then what we're going to do is I got some Caribbean jerk Blackstone. We're going to mix this in there and let it start cooking. Super quick cook now. Very easy. Oh, if you can only smell this. Alright. Now I'm going to kick this over to the side a little bit. We're going to take our sub, we're going to kind of put it on top, let it steam there for a couple seconds. So now, transfer this to the cutting board. We're going to add some slaw here. Make sure you get some of that pineapple in there. See the layers. We'll let it cool down for just a minute. So anyways, there we have it. Nice and quick, maybe 10 minutes. So appreciate you watching. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And stay tuned for next week's video. There will be more to come. And I appreciate y'all. Thanks. Now let's give it a try. Oh man. See this towel I got for Christmas? It's got my logo on it. start wiping my chin. Anyways, that is amazing. So you can kind of taste the spiciness from the jerk flavor, and then you got the sweetness with the pineapple inside the coleslaw. Man, you should give this a try. It's so good. It's good stuff. Thanks. We'll see you next time. Bye.